matrix in which the complex numbers are involved. Such a matrix is called complex matrix. In this complex matrices definition, this is complex matrices. Under the complex matrices, we have a small definition that is called Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. Before going to the Hermitian, I will tell you a basic small concept. Let us, for example, you take A is equal to, our matrices also some different way here. Suppose it is 2, it is 3i, okay, and it is 2 minus 5i. And here, suppose you will have minus 1, minus I. Some complex numbers are involved here, okay? Complex number of this form, A plus IB, any number with this form is called complex number. So you see some complex numbers are involving here. 4i minus 3. This is the value of A. Suppose if I want to find out A bar, how to read this one as A bar? It means we are finding the complex matrix of this matrix A. Complex matrix. How to get it? You see, 2 will be 2 only, no disturbance, no change. Where is the change will come? Wherever I is there, we have to write minus I. Wherever I is there, we have to write minus I. That is the only difference. 3i plus I can be written as minus I. So minus will come here. 2 as it is. Here you see we have minus I here. Minus I can be written as plus I. जहां भी plus I है वहां पे minus I लिखिए, जहां भी plus I है वहां पे minus I की जगह पे plus I. That is the way to find out the A bar. Complex matrix we are finding. Complex conjugate. तो ये minus I है और एक minus से multiply करें तो minus into minus plus. 0 as it is. ये 4i है. 4i means I is positive. We make it as negative. Minus 4i. This is actually in question here we have plus, so it is also plus. This is the way to find out complex matrix. Complex conjugate. It is called complex conjugate. And the way to find out such the matrix is just wherever I is there, we have to change with the minus I. If you have a minus I already, that we have to write as a plus I. Then after that, we have a definition called Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. It is there in your syllabus. Have you seen the syllabus?
Yes,
you can
sir.
see there is a definition called complex matrix. Under that, Hermitian matrix definition is also there. So, what is the definition? A square matrix. A square matrix such that A power t is equal to A bar. Transpose of a matrix is equal to complex conjugate is called Hermitian matrix. Hermitian we can see this one with the help of example. Let me do the example for this. Suppose that our A matrix is, I am giving the example of this one. Suppose A is equals to, we have 4. It is 1 plus 3i. And here 1 minus 3i. And suppose here is 7. Just an example. Now we have to check this condition. If this condition satisfies, we can say that A is Hermitian. The must condition is of, but whenever you are going to find out Hermitian matrix, our given matrix should be a square matrix. Means 2 rows, 2 columns. Let us start our work. Find out the transpose. Well, transpose, find out how to find out. Row we have to make it as a column. यहाँ पे row क्या है? 4 1 plus 3 है. We have to write in a column. 4 1 plus 3 है. Again, this is the row 1 minus 3i 7. We write in a column. 1 minus 3i. ये हो गया इसका ट्रांसपोज. अब चेक करेंगे अपन ए बार. ए बार मीन्स कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट. हाउ टू फाइंड. ऐसा बोला हमें जहां भी प्लस आई है वहां पे माइनस आई लिखना. 4 को तो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है, लिखना है. ये प्लस 3 आई है, प्लस आई है मतलब माइनस आई लिखना है. 1 माइनस 3 है. यहाँ पे पहले से ही माइनस है, माइनस आई, तो माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाता? प्लस आई. तो 1 तो एज इट इज रहेगा. 7 भी कुछ भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते. अब इन दोनों को नोटिस करिए. कैन वी से दैट ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स ए बार. कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा नहीं हो रहा? So therefore we can say that A is Hermitian. This condition is satisfied, then we say that A is Hermitian. This is the end of this definition. Hermitian matrix. Now we can go for another definition that is called skew Hermitian matrix. इसका डेफिनेशन भी देखिए अभी आप. skew Hermitian matrix. So I'm writing the definition. A square matrix. A square matrix such that what is the condition you see? A transpose is equal to additive inverse of complex matrix of A. Then E is called skew Hermitian matrix. Now we can see with the help of example. This one we can see with the help of example. See the example. Let us assume that, suppose that A is equal. इसके example लिख देते. A is equal to minus 3i, 2 plus I, minus 2 plus I, minus I. Suppose this is A. Find out first of all transpose. ट्रांसपोज कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे बताना. हम आपको रो को कॉलम बना देना. ये माइनस 3 है एज इट इज, इसको कॉलम बना देंगे रो. ये रो तो कॉलम बन गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट दिस रो minus 2 plus I and this is minus A column. So A transpose हो गया. Okay. Now we find out A bar, then we multiply with minus. A bar means जहां भी प्लस है वहां पे माइनस आई लिखना है. यहाँ माइनस 3i था तो प्लस 3i हो जाएंगे. ये 3i. ये हो गया 2 plus I means it becomes 2 minus I because plus I we are writing as minus I. This minus 2 as it is. This plus I we can write it as minus I. This minus I already we have, so minus into minus plus I. This one we have to multiply with minus sign also. If you multiply with minus sign, it is becomes all the elements are minus. We are multiplying minus 3i. इसको ऐसा कर रहे हैं, पूरों को minus से multiply. Every element multiplying with minus. Here also minus of minus 2 minus I. It is minus I. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Minus 3I.
Minus 3I.
A minus into minus 2 minus into minus plus I. This is we multiply with minus, so पूरे plus हो जाते. Minus into minus plus. It is also plus. It is also minus into minus plus. Sorry, not it is minus I.
Okay.
Now I'll give you the names. इसको बताएंगे अपने equation number 1 और इसको बनाएंगे अपने equation number 1 और 2 को notice करिए. 1 और 2 को notice करिए. क्या ये same है?
हाँ, same है.
जी हाँ, ये same है. इसका मतलब है transpose of a matrix is equal to additive inverse of complex matrix of A. So therefore, we can say that A is skew Hermitian. Skew Hermitian. आपके पास से डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है हमेशा से.
Sorry.
आपके फ्रेंड्स को आप नहीं बोल सकते हैं मेरी क्लास से रुक. क्लास से तो कॉपरेट नहीं करते क्या लोग? Okay. So let us take another definition that is called unitary matrix. Unitary matrix का definition करके definitions part और आपका matrices completely खत्म हो गया. So that is next definition is unitary. Unitary or somebody they may call it as unitary. Unitary matrix. So what's the definition you see? For square matrix. For square matrix. Such that. जैसे जो आप लोग टेक्स्ट बुक के फोटोज पे जाए वो इंटरमीडिएट के बुक से आपका
हाँ
सिलेबस के
सर,
बुक
इसमें चाहिए कारण क्वेश्चन.
प्रिस्क्राइब सिलेबस के बुक नहीं होता जी. वो तो कल जस्ट टेक्स्ट बुक इंटरमीडिएट वो तो पूरे बुक याद है मेरे को. इसके लिए क्या मसला नहीं, तो देखने की जरूरत भी नहीं. ये देखिए हाउ टू रीड दिस वन. a power theta into a is equal to I. Any matrix satisfying this condition, a power theta into a is equal to identity matrix is called unitary matrix. Now I know what is your doubt. Your doubt is what is a power theta, right? That is your doubt now. Where I will clarify your doubt. Where a power theta means a power theta का मतलब है a का ट्रांसपोज करके उसका कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट कर. ट्रांसपोज करके कॉन्जुगेट कर. ठीक है, ट्रांसपोज करके कॉन्जुगेट कर. And this answer should be multiplied with our given a value. If your answer is an identity matrix, that is 2 by 2 1 0 0 1. अगर मैट्रिक्स 2 by 2 की है तो आइडेंटिटी भी 2 by 2 आगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना? ट्रांसपोज करके कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट कर. कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट कैसे करता है अभी बताया ना मैं आपको. प्लस आई को माइनस आई से रिप्लेस करना, माइनस आई को प्लस आई से रिप्लेस. So this condition we have to check. A power theta into a is equal to, we have to show that it is equal to identity matrix. ठीक है, ठीक है ना? Is it okay?
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो एक मर्तबा आप पूरा सा ट्रांसपोज और ये पूरे डेफिनेशन एक बार देख लीजिए. I think we have to conduct a small test to check your knowledge, how much you have done.
Okay.
So if possible tomorrow I will send you a question paper. You have to solve honestly without looking your notebooks. Honestly, you have to solve the question paper and you have to send it to me through WhatsApp only, photos. Then I will check it.
Okay.
Then after that, we can go for another next topic. This unit will be completed here, right?
Okay.
So next class, whenever we have, maybe most probably tomorrow, we don't have the class. Saturday, तो नहीं ले सकते. We can see Monday directly. Okay.
Okay.
I'll end up this meeting. Okay.
Okay, sir. Jazakallah khair.
Yeah.